Hey everybody, we're live at 9:40, as you can see there. Running a battle for Dennis, his action display stand here with a nice looking set of figures. Cool battle, one we don't see too often, if ever. 80 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. We got 80. So we're in good shape. Gonna roll the dice to see how many rounds we're gonna go. Got to get a 5 or better, as you know, to play. And we got a 10. So we got live action here. Good luck, everybody, as we get down to business. Here we go. Chris takes round 1 with number 57, one of my favorites. Chris Keister, round 2. And round 3. Frank takes round 4 with number 65. Keister again on top. Abdul takes round 6 with number 27. Chris again on top in round 7. And round 8. Battle of Chris's and Abdul thus far. Round 9 as we come to the ever important last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Craig Franco, I'm assuming, in number 75. Congrats, Craig. Here's the verification code all the way down at the bottom here of our big old Husky list. JIPPZR. Jipzer is the verification. Craig in at number 75 is the champ. I am done at 9:42. As you can see right here. There we go. One last time, here's our results. Craig in at number 75 is the winner. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Later.